Hey guys, in this video I'm going to unbox the TP-Link Bluetooth 5.3 Nano USB adapter, and we're going to see what's inside. So here is the box. Now it is all close up, so I'm going to see if I can open it from the bottom up, and then we're just going to pull it out. So it's quite small. USB A plug-in. So at the bottom here, or maybe at the top, we can pull it out like that, and then this will open up the USB adapter. So here is a TP-Link adapter. So it's Bluetooth 5.3. So with the TP-Link Bluetooth 5.3 adapters, it is used to add Bluetooth functionality to devices that don't have built-in Bluetooth, or to upgrade older Bluetooth versions for better performance. So here's what they are commonly used for. Now we use this to connect to wireless devices, so we can pair Bluetooth headphones, speakers, and earbuds for wireless audio streaming, connect Bluetooth keyboards, mice, and controllers for seamless input in gaming. We can use it to improve audio and gaming experience. So it has a lower latency with Bluetooth 5.3, ensures smoother audio and gaming performance. It also has a better signal stability, reduces disconnections and interference. You can use it for file transfers and data syncing. So you can transfer files between PCs, laptops, and smartphones wirelessly. You can also use it for wireless printing and IoT device control. This also allow you to enhance the range and power efficiency. So with Bluetooth 5.3, it offers a longer wireless range and better power efficiency for connected devices. So overall, the TP-Link Bluetooth 5.3 adapters are great for adding or upgrading your older Bluetooth capabilities on PCs, laptops, and desktops for a more stable and efficient wireless experience. So give it a try if you don't have a Bluetooth adapter on your computer, especially older computer. Usually it doesn't have a Bluetooth connections, so you want to buy this adapter and then plug into the back of your computer for Bluetooth connectivity. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for my videos. Okay, so here I'm connecting it to the back of my computer. Okay, on the computer here, now we can go and click on this, and you can see now my computer have the Bluetooth capabilities. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.